I have this old spindle. I got it from a yard sale / flea market, and I'm going to start by painting the entire thing with some Wise Owl primer. Now, you want to make sure you have all of your chipping or flaking paint off, but the primer is good to prevent any bleeding, especially on older items. Once that fully dried, I'm going to go on top of it with some Wise Owl Higgins Lake. Now, both the primer and the paint can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. You could pick any color of your choice. I got this word blessed. It came from Hobby Lobby in their wood section, and I'm going to take my General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain, brush the gel stain on, and then use a paper towel to wipe the excess stain off. This kind of helps lighten it and also allows you to see the wood grain. Once both pieces were fully dry, I'm going to place the blessed kind of in the center of the spindle, and using some hot glue, I'm going to have it stand on the spindle. Now, I put some hot glue on both the front and the back side, and I feel like it did hold enough for this piece to stand there. Now, you can also add some Jenga blocks to the back side, but they will be visible. I'm then going to take some jute and just randomly wrap it around some of the parts on the spindle, and I'm holding that in place with hot glue. I did one on the left side, and then I went over to the right side and added a few more as well. So I'm just wrapping that and then holding both ends down with my hot glue. I have this burlap flower. This also came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it over to the left side here. Now, I'm pretty much just decorating this however I want. There are a lot of options. I found this stencil at the Dollar Tree, and I liked how it had the different patterns on it. And I'm going to place my first pattern on one of the flat parts of the spindle. And using some Wise Owl earth and a foam dabber, I'm just going to dab over my stencil. Now, this is an adhesive stencil. It came from the Dollar Tree. Once I have that fully covered, I'm going to lift it, place it back on the protective sheet, pick another stencil that I'm going to lay on another part of the flat area of the spindle, and dab over that. So I picked two different designs to use, one design in the center and then the other design on both the top and bottom areas. And I thought this came out really cute. Keep your eye out for a spindle from a flea market, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.